What's going on, guys? This is our mold creator. This is molecular physics. Molecules. This is our mold creator. This is our mold creator. Molecules act like little basketballs. There's a theory. The theory. One ball hits another, and the ball that was hit bounces off like normal physics, like you would see it out here in real life. Could be, you could even use, but molecules have their own unique and distinct shapes. Each shape is unique to that molecule, making the movements more chaotic, I guess. Copy it. Pause and copy the code. This is a molecule creator built for the future. This is a mold creator built for the future. It's upgrade ready, improvement and development ready, and hardware ready. It grabs particles, puts particles together to make a molecule. Puts particles together to make a molecule. In the program, it scans for the molecules. And then the moles will be water. We're using H2O today. H2O moles. As you can see, press a button and moles are created. An H2O mole looks like a little. An H2O mole looks like a little Mickey Mouse head. That's what this does. A mole creator. This is a mole creator. Creates H2O moles. You could obviously create different molds if you want. Pulls together the particles and makes a mole, and it looks like a little Mickey Mouse head. That's how H2O looks as a mole. Water. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are preparations for the future. The technology is not yet available for this yet. But this is the code for it. This is written in Python and PyGame, I think. Yeah, PyGame. And yeah. Prepares for the future. This is a Python project you can do for beginner and advanced. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.